Hey guys, how it's going? It's Zapparoli here again with another live stream. Well, today I was a bit late because OBS decided to throw me, you know. Even if I'm a technical guy, sometimes I have trouble with all of those stream setups. But now it's fine, okay. Um, can you guys listen to me? The audio is okay. Give me a bit of feedback in the chat, please. All right. Well, guys, today I have some things planned out. Okay, um, we're going to take a look at some Qlik news. There were a lot of updates that happened on this week and the last weeks regarding Qlik SaaS and some other stuff. And of course, we are gonna check the Qlik knowledge nuggets that our friend Jen Hendrik does every week. Okay, guys. So let's check them out. Okay. Nice. Just a second. All right. I don't think that I have saw the past news of the past 3 weeks, so gonna just take a quick look on them. All right. But first, let's start with the Qlik Cloud updates. Okay, guys. So if you guys don't know, on help.qlik.com, you can access this website here, and there's a profile here, a folder that is what's new. With that, guys, you can see all the releases that happened over the past days. Okay, so today is 18. Okay, and we have some news here. Let's check them out. Okay, I still did not take a look at them, so this is a blind live stream. Okay, and oh, we have two news today. Let's see here. Uh, oh, it's just that. There's not a link or anything. So Qlik Cloud Government now supports the following Qlik application automation connectors: Amazon and GitHub. Mm, I haven't used really the Qlik application automation yet, so maybe this is a good opportunity for me. Let's see what else we have here. The resource center is now available for Qlik Cloud Government. Mm, oh, this is very interesting because it's let's see here. In product help, video surveys, feedback option. Yeah, it's just like a basic tutorial for you to access. Let's see. Getting started and learning. All right. Oh, I really like the updates where they implement some stuff that you can do on script, you know. You guys remember when they launched the new window function? I really like that one. It saves a lot of time on the application, you know. Let's see what else we have here. Oh, the security rules. That's true. The Qlik SaaS announced the custom security rules now. Before, we only had that on the Qlik enterprise environment. So having that on management on SaaS is very nice. Let's see if we have some options here. Custom roles based on user subscriptions or capacity based subscription, which is the licensing, right? How you apply your license on Qlik. The user you get by individual users, and the capacity you can have multiple users using that, but there is a limit of how much the user can use. Okay, I don't remember if it's by minutes or something like that. Those things always change, you know. I don't really know, but it was something like that. So we have an we have an article here about those custom roles. Okay. Uh, there's this is really like this tutorial here could use some pictures, you know. It would help a lot. It's like kind of bland, in my opinion. You have to research a lot, like, or maybe do yourself to see how those works. But anyway, we have the security rules now on ClickSAS. Okay. Table improvements. Oh, yes. When we talk about updates, the things that always came like in first place for me are the visual updates and the script updates. And we have some table improvements here. So this is huge, guys. We are getting a lot of visual updates lately on Qlik. So this is very nice. So let's read here what it says. We continue to improve on the new straight table and pivot table. The straight table columns can now become more narrow, and the new pivot table gets measure formatting, text alignment, and dimension limits. That's very interesting. Let's check them out. I wonder in... Well, this is on SaaS already, so not on Qlik Sense Enterprise. So those changes will probably came out in May. Okay, so maybe in May or later or November. It should be May because they usually the updates that come on Qlik SaaS, they always release it like after 3 or 4 months or something like that. We have a new connector of SAP. SAP is it's a huge ERP system. Okay. The Qlik Cloud Data Integration provides multiple methods. Okay. So it's one more connector. That's nice. Extended DDL capture support for Postgres and Microsoft SQL Server. I'm not really sure what this is about. Replication tasks provide support for handling DDL changes. Any of you guys know what's up with that? I'm not really sure. But it's when you use Postgres or Microsoft SQL. Okay. And 2 days ago, support for the SAP HANA. Okay. A new connector. This is always nice. New direct access gateway version. There's a lot of new stuff here as well. Extended login capabilities. Lots of stuff in here. Not really gonna go in details, okay? So this is news of the last week. We don't need to see that. Well, okay, so we saw the news here of Qlik Cloud. Let's see if we have something on the support updates now. We have a webinar here. Let's see. Oh, it's on April 23 of like Tuesday of next week. I see. So it's a Q&A about what? Qlik Sensing Enterprise Migration. There is not really much of description here. Let's see on this link if we got anything. Oh, let's see. A monthly Q&A webinar series with your extraordinary panelists, roasted by Qlik community and CSO Sprints programs. So migrating Qlik Sense, Qlik Managed. So this is like moving up from client managed to Qlik SaaS, maybe. Yes, I will register here later. It should be good. And at 10 a.m. okay? It's a nice time. All right, let's see what else we have. Updates to Qlik Cloud Security rules. Yeah, we just saw that on the other topic. Okay, let's just me check one thing, guys, about my post. I had to recreate the link. It's probably the wrong link. Oh, that sucks. Yeah. And I can't really update here. I tried to updating, but it does not work. Let me type the link here. Well, it says it's saved, but it is not. Well, anyway, we can't do anything, right? All right, so we saw the updates of Qlik now, the support updates. Let's close off this. Okay, and let's check our knowledge nuggets now. These guys, this is gold. Every week we have some news of Qlik, like some videos, some posts on LinkedIn. So every week, guys, you can come here at Mondays. He released this on Mondays, and we have lots of stuff in here. So let's see this one of April real quick, if we have anything interesting here that we haven't seen already. There's some feature content, connector factory. But before that, I'm remembering now. I found on Qlik help the technical updates. Tech updates. Jesus, I just remembered that. It was not this page here. It was another page talking about some detailed changes. I don't know if I will find it. My God. It's not this. Well, maybe I will remember later. So, we have here, let's see. Product innovation, predictive AI with AutoML. Let's see what this is about. This seems interesting. Predictive AI. So now the Qlik AutoML has predictive AI. Let's take a look at this news. Okay. Okay, so they are trying to implement predictive AI here on the AutoML. And they say the generative AI is only expected to achieve 30% of shares over the AI market by 2024. That's this year. Okay. Let's see what Qlik did here.
Hey guys, this is Mike Tarallo with Qlik. Thanks for joining me in this Qlik AutoML update. With Qlik AutoML, we make machine learning available to more than just professional...
let's see this. No code, predictive AI, and automated machine learning for analytics team. You can easily create predictive analytics, uniquely designed for analytics team, explainable AI. Well, I really want to see this working.
Scientists. Your analytics users can generate predictions in a simple and effective way in areas such as sales forecasting, churn reduction, and spend analysis, to just name a few. We offer a simple code-free ML workflow with AI assistance and unlimited experimentation. Predictions are delivered with full explainability, allowing you to also see the why in your data, and predictions can be published into QlikSense for real-time associative exploration and what-if scenario planning. Let's cover some of the recent improvements added to Qlik AutoML. With these improvements, you get more advanced feature engineering and explainability, better control over users and roles, more iterative experimentation, and improved performance. For more information, please review the more...
Free text feature. Um, I really like to see a scenario of this working in real life because there's like so much to explore here. It's like this this is unknown ground for me, you know. I really need to check out this more.
Iterative experimentation.
Change dataset for existing experiments. Well, I really like would love to see on the Qlik Connect that's happening on June, um, a case of a customer using AutoML. You know, that would be interesting because I can't really understand how they use this on real life. So this would be very nice to see. And there's the details here. Okay, that's very nice. All right. So, support updates, Qlik Cloud and Qlik Sense on-premise. Cosmetic changes. Changes of font sizes for titles, subtitles, and footnotes. I think that like on every release, Qlik launches font size updates, you know. But let's see where they are now. Um, okay, so starting on April 22, it will have this release of titles, subtitles, and footnotes. This change will carry over to the ClickSense Enterprise on the May 2024 version. So, okay, this is coming soon for us. What this do? Okay, so he explaining here that font size, titles, subtitles, and footnotes are controlled by either the theme that your application has, okay, or in the property styling panel. That's like this guy right here, okay. The conversion factor used at present is incorrect. What? Uh, currently we convert using the 13 as a base when we should be using 14. Uh, I don't really know this stuff. It's like more for web developers, you know. But there's something here on the pixels that changes. Um, so it's an error, and Qlik is fixing it. So let's just accept this, okay? Um, how exactly this will affect me? After this fix is deployed, the text in titles, subtitles, and footnotes will appear smaller, about 93% of the current size. Well, this is quite huge, so because this will impact directly on how our applications look. So it's just 7% reduce the size. So I don't think this is much, but let's see what happens. But it is good to know. Like at least Qlik is telling us that they are fixing those stuffs, you know. All right. Let's see what we have here. 80 reasons I don't use Power BI. Oh Jesus, this is gonna be fun. Let's see, it's Andy Kribel. Let's follow him. And you shouldn't either. Let's see what's this about. The cost. While Power BI offers a free version, its Pro Premium versions can be costly. Advanced features and larger data capacity come at a price, which aren't a justifiable cost for me. Well, yes, at least in Qlik, we have everything on the package. You know, you pay a high price, of course, but you have everything that you need there. It's not like Power BI that hides all those stuffs. Jesus, I'm gonna start a war here. Complexity. Power BI has a steep learning curve for those new to data analytics. Good luck with DAX. I mean, it's not that bad, in my opinion. You know, I have worked with some DAX formulas before, and okay, it's not beginner friendly, but it's not that bad in my opinion. Visualization limitations. There are a lot of standard visualizations, but I quickly run into limitations when it comes to highly customizable charts or specific charts types I need to build. Well, I know that Tableau does this very good, and now Qlik with all those updates. Let's open our Qlik Sense here real quick. We have lots of updates, like visual updates on Qlik. Let's check them out later. What else? Lock it in the Microsoft ecosystem. Yeah, this is kind of true. Like it's easy to integrate with other Microsoft products, but with others it's not quite easy. But it's still doable, you know. I think like Power BI it's a very strong tool, but for some use cases, of course. But in the other use cases, Qlik is way better. Let's just keep that clear here. Data capacity and performance. The free version of Power BI has data capacity limits, and even in paid versions, large datasets can lead to performance issues. Yeah, this I can agree. Like, if you run some big dataset on Power BI, forget it. You know, it's it's gonna be really slow compared to Qlik, for example. You know, Qlik's way faster in doing all those stuffs. Reporting. Power BI is a reporting tool, not an analytics tool. I did not know that. Yet, reporting and publishing outside of the Power BI ecosystem isn't flexible enough. Again, they are locking you into their system, but Power BI has this function of embedding stuff, embedding their dashboards. I think that is really, really cool, you know. And let's see what else. Collaboration. The collaboration and share features, particularly in the free version of Power BI, are limited. I don't know about that one. I haven't really used Power BI a lot. Limited to Windows. Well, Qlik is also limited to Windows. Is there Qlik on Linux? No, yes, no. Because since Qlik is browser based, you can access it everywhere, like on a Mac, Linux, or Windows. Which is not the case to Power BI, who is a software from desktop, you know. That's very interesting. Good post here. But guy, you are almost starting a war here. Jesus, man. Well, let's see. We have a tutorial here of Tensini. It's a 2-hour videos talking about
Fala pessoal,
how he does some dashboards on Figma. This is very interesting. You guys can check it out. Okay. Little Qlik tip for today. Let's see this. If you are wondering when you initiate a Qlik Cloud reload that's showing Qid, since it does not show on Hub or console, you can do it a couple different ways. You can visit this website here. Oh, that's interesting. Or you can use the Qlik CLI to set up to see the tasks queued. So this is very interesting because the Qlik Cloud does not show this by default. You know, Qlik Sense Enterprise does this. All right. Let's see what else we have here of news. We have some Qlik videos here. Let's see. Creating a reference line to highlight the top 5 countries. Oh, this is like more basic stuff. Let's see. Tabular reporting for any printing users. Oh, this is interesting me. Tabular reporting. Let's see. Oh, it's a 50-minute video. Maybe this is a webinar that they did.
Hey guys, my name is Mike Tarallo. I'm a Principal Technical Marketing Manager with Qlik, and I'd like to welcome you to the
have a unique block for every month of the year.
Man, this screen here of any print brings me like some good and some bad memories, you know. I have spent lots of time doing so many print reports, and I mean, any print is really cool, but there are some bugs, man. There's some stuff that like you need to keep fixing if you are doing some complex dashboards, you know. That it's quite hard, you know. But well, I'm not gonna check this out now. Export, click. Oh, what is this? As far as I know, Qlik and Print did not work with Qlik SaaS. So you can export report templates to cloud apps. Wow. Maybe you do a template here on printing and export it to Qlik SaaS. Have you guys heard that before? He generates here. Let's see. Oh, this is all new stuff. I'm gonna save this for later. I'm really interested on this one. I don't know about this. And let's see. Oh, this is a basic tutorial to craft the top 5 countries based on sales data on Qlik Cloud. Let's see. It's a short video.
In this video, we will show you how to create a reference line to highlight the top 5 countries in your bar chart. Let's begin by adding a bar chart to your sheet and selecting the dimension country. Next, add your measure, which in our case
let's
to
skip
add
a bit.
and expand
Reference
line
line
expression to filter the data. The expression will return the unique value of the country field, where the sum of sales ranks 5th among all countries. In our dataset, for instance, Ireland ranks 5th,
so he used the rank
so the
function
reference
here.
line will reflect this result. You can choose to hide the country name by unchecking the Show Value option. Then, align the reference line at the end. This way, enabled, and here you have the result. We have now created a bar chart with a reference line highlighting the top 5 countries.
Oh, this is very interesting. I haven't thought about this before. Let's check the expression here. He used the only function on the country dimension, and he used the rank of sun sales equals 5 on the reference line. That's interesting. I haven't thought about that before.
Our dataset. We have now created a bar chart with our...
Those tutorials here on Qlik help, man, they help a lot, like the name says. And they post a lot of stuff here, so this is a nice way to learn new stuff of Qlik too. Creating a slope graph, if function. Oh, it's a basic explanation of the if function.
The if function in Qlik can also...
Well, we know about the if function already, but I'm gonna check those videos later. There's lots of cool stuff in here. So let's check out more news here of 8th of April. Oh, the new Qlik Learning is coming soon. I'm excited for this.
You know that Qlik and Talent have joined forces to bring data
the new
analytics
platform that
and
Qlik is
data
releasing.
integration together.
This is gonna be
Now we're doing
very
the same
interesting.
with your learning experience, bringing the best of both worlds together for a whole new learning solution. Get ready. The time skills and
When this is
expertise
coming
throughout
out,
your career.
it says a date in
No
here.
matter where you access to hands-on lab environments, so you can
Managing your virtual machine. Wow.
learn by doing. And Qlik Learning has so much more. Implementation accelerators and solution templates are organized into easy-to-follow operations, code, and detailed instructions that help you customize them for your requirements.
Well,
Validate your
the
knowledge with
Qlik Learning has
assessments,
improved a lot, but
applications.
it seems there's
Explore
some
learning programs such as our
questions here for you to
training
do.
as to a short video that you get for investment. Challenge your peers as you work your way up the leaderboard.
Oh, it's leaderboard. It's very interesting because you can compete with others like in a healthy
Earn
way, of
trophies and
course.
Pursue Qlik Learning. Launch your AI proctored certification exam.
When this is coming out, there are commentaries here. I don't see any. But Qlik Learning. I remember seeing something like this. Let's log in on my account here. Okay. So we have lots of courses here. I think that some of them are free and others are paid, but there are a lot of free courses in here. User role, price, free. There are 200 courses here. Let's say that you want to learn Qlik SaaS here. Where are the courses like? Oh, okay. So, getting started with Qlik Sense. I mean, there are a lot of courses here, but most of them are basic courses. Select data using search tools. Lots of people ask me about where do I learn Qlik Sense? So there are a lot of sources that you can learn Qlik. As you can see, those are all basic and some intermediate topics here. For example, concatenation and joins. It's an intermediate topic. And you can learn lots of stuff of clicking here, guys. So this is very interesting for us. And we are getting a new version because I think this is like a little outdated in my opinion, this interface here. And I'm glad that Qlik is investing on this now. Okay. Let's see here. Oh, the Qlik Connect session catalog. Let's see about this. Access denied. Okay. Well, it's for partners only, I think. What can we do, right? We're not a partner yet. This week, reporting service news, moves, and changes. I think that I already saw that. The new reporting service packages too. I have made a video last week talking about this. You guys can check it out on my channel. Let's see what else. Oh, this reporting service we already saw. Qlik since February 2024. Error, create a new data connection or adding data from existing data connection. What? So this was a bug in the last version of Qlik. Qlik is working on solution. Wow, to be honest, I haven't had this error happening with me. Oh, but this issue occurs when a custom virtual proxy prefix is in use. That must be why I haven't had this error. All right. latest Qlik videos, exclude dating and visualization, set analysis versus filtering. So this is again another basic tutorial for new people to learn. But it's always nice to reinforce old knowledge, right? By the way, guys, I'm trying to get some material to do a free course of set analysis, you know, that will be available on my YouTube channel here. And it will be from the basic to advanced, but I'm still figuring things out, like getting a data set and planning how I will do the classes, the videos, you know. Let's see on the next weeks or months, because this takes a lot of time, guys. Like creating videos, editing, scripting, all those stuff. It takes time, you know, for it to be something good. Let's see here. Traffic accidents in Brazil. I think that I saw this. Oh, it's from my friend Icaro here. He made an application. Let's check out this application, guys. I already have it downloaded. Let's check it out. Traffic. Let's jump on Qlik now. So he made a starting screen here. That's very nice. This dashboard provides valuable insights and clear data visualizations, enabling a deep understanding of accident patterns, highways, with the highest instance, types of accidents, and number of victims. I wonder where he got that data from. Does it says here? I don't think so. But let's check out the application. Icaro is a very talented guy. Wow, it's very nice. He used some custom theme here. Let's see. Sense Horizon. But this looks very pretty, man. The KPIs look great. How he did that? Oh, he did it with the new layout container. That's very nice, man. So let's take here on my state of São Paulo. So there are 6K accidents, 60K only. I thought that it would be more. Maybe it's the data set. It's from last year. Accidents without victims, with victims. Wow. So like 78% of all the accidents that in São Paulo, there were with victims. Oh my god. And with fatal victims, only 4%. Well, let's keep this number very low. And we can see here that the number of accidents on federal highways. So this only on federal highways. That was why the number is low, because there's a lot more accidents. So we see here that on BR-116, there are 4K accidents, man. Jesus Christ. And this is very interesting, guys, because we can take some insights out of it, you know. Let's take the BR-116 here, for example. So most of accidents in federal highways happens on this BR-116 here. And the reasons are back collision, side collision, you know. So this helps for understanding how the accidents works, and it's up to the highway managers how to fix this, you know, because like we are giving an information here that there are lots of traffic accidents and the reason they happens, you know, but what they can do about it, you know, that's the question. So let's see where this BR-116 is. Oh, I took here the news. It's accidents, trucks falling apart, some races happening, so this highway is very crazy. Well, I'm a little far from that, thank God. But well, if you're in Brazil and you're passing by this highway, guys, take care. Jesus. But it's very nice, and right here we have accidents by day, of the week, and times. So with this, wow, man, this is a very nice object. Jesus, it's a heat map. This is a heat map, and it says the most traffic accidents here. Just by looking, we can see here that it's on 7 a.m. and on 6 p.m. It's basically the rush hours when people are going to work and people are coming back from work. So this is kind of expected, but I really like the use of the colors here, for making uh, the more colors have a darker green. Very, very well done. Very well done indeed. So let's see what else we have. I'm gonna leave a comment here. Great job, Icaro. I loved the use of the objects. Let's give a shout out to our friend Icaro here. Okay. Let's see what else we can see before we go to the next one. News in Qlik SaaS, background color opacity, okay. LinkedIn commentaries, KVD tracker. I think that's a new tool that Qlik released. No, it's not. But there are a new software that reads KVD files. I don't really remember which software it was, but I'm gonna make a video about this. I just need to remember what it was. Let's see what is about. When we talk about data compression, KVDs are the first thing we can think about of. Yes, the KVDs, they have a really nice algorithm of data compression. So it can trim down a lot the size of a database, for example. Opening KVD files is not possible on Notepad. But let's see. A manual KVD tracking annoys you too, just like me. You can go to the following link and let me know your views. Let's see. Source app on Qlik. Oh, it's basically... Oh, it's an application that reads the metadata of the KVD file. Okay. Let's check it out. Documents, Qlik, Sense, Apps. Let's open my Qlik Sense here and drop this here. We need to upload a KVD file first. Yes, I'm not gonna do this now, but he gets all the KVD files in a directory, and he extracts some data like the file name, the file size, the timestamp it was generated, the KVD created time, and the source app ID. I mean, for this information, it's very nice to have an application like this, of course. I'm not taking out his merit. But you can double click on the KVD and open on the Notepad++, and you will see its metadata, But like having an application like this on a big environment, for example, would be very helpful. And I think that I'm gonna implement this on my work. So since it's free here, it's like it gets easier to track stuff with Qlik. We have some comments here. That's a video of things in here. Oh, the Qlik framework, yeah, okay. But it's very interesting, man. Let me follow him and give you a like. Man, like my favorite part about all of this are the things that the community creates, you know. The Qlik community is very huge, you know, and there's a lot of talented people here, and they always make some cool application that they are very helpful. Let's see, Qlik team toggles. The extension will help you toggle between two teams, giving better UX experience. I can test it later. Sorry, Jesus. Okay, I think that's it for today, and let's quickly go to the last one, so we can end your live stream here. There's the security rules that we already seen. Design new helpful features. That interests me a lot. In this blog post, I will cover 4 Qlik features that you may not be aware of, but I find very useful. New navigation option for buttons. The ability to change the opacity of background color. The ability to show the links to straight and pivot tables. Okay. You had my curiosity, but now you have my attention. Placement of sheet navigation buttons with hidden sheet headers. Okay, the first sheet is option to navigate by buttons. Oh, this is very interesting. I have done this already in some projects, and you can create like a system, and you can navigate between screens of Qlik by the click of a button. It's quite weird to say click and click the act of clicking in the same sentence, but it's okay. All right, Jesus. Let me drink some water. Speaking like this makes my throat dry. Let's see what else. Oh, this using objects I did as well. Wow, interesting. Whoa, this table looks amazing, man. Holy cow. We have some colors in here. Some circles. The margin. All right, this is a very nice table. Change the opacity of the background color in the chart below. I'm not really sure why would you do that. I would rather have the default stuff. Like he's changing the background color of past, but okay, it's a visual stuff. And now we can add the links to straight tables and pivot tables. I think that we could do this before, but with some CSS stuffs, I don't know, but you could add the links before. But now it's easier, I think. Like you had to do some out of the box stuff to achieve that. So it's easier now, you can just type the link here. What version is this of Qlik? Oh, it's on the Qlik Cloud. But maybe on May 2024, the next version of Enterprise will have this available now. Right. Let's see the fourth. The fourth and last feature. It's the new placement of the sheet navigation arrows when the sheet header is hidden. Okay. So you can actually hide this screen here, and this button will go up. That's basically it. Well, it's a quality of life update. He's talking about the sheet navigation arrows are in the sheet header. I think this is not really good because when you have an extended sheet, you must go up to the go to the next sheet. I prefer when the buttons are in the sheet toolbar, more intuitive. Well, he's not wrong. I kinda agree with him, but let's finish this. So we have upcoming Qlik cloud changes concerning section access. Oh my god. Oh my god. This has a icon of a warning. So it will add a new safeguard for apps containing section access tables. I really need to do a section access videos, but section access, for if you don't know, it's how you can like add some security stuff on Qlik. Like for example, you have a sales department and the IT department. The IT manager can only see the IT department's data, and the sales manager can only see the sales data, you know. This is on the same application. You have both the IT and the sales data on the application, all right? But only some persons with some specific security on the section access can see this data, you know. What will change? During the reloads of apps, we will execute an additional security access evaluation. If the number of distinctive values is either the omit or any reduction field per table exceeds the number of 1 million, the reload will fail. What? Currently, reloads are succeeding without indication of the truncation. I don't really understand this. Why it would fail? Why the change? That's my answer here. It's a safeguard to prevent users from getting a truncated sections access table when viewing data, preventing them from seeing too much or too little. Well, that makes sense. There's some other stuff here. I mean, this is good and all. It can cause some trouble, but it's better than like an unauthorized person seeing a data they are not supposed to see, right? We have some customized internet-wide home pages. I think that I saw this already. Well, basically you can customize your starting page here. Some guys that does that, they are cluster. They have a product called the new hub. It's very interesting. Like it's a very customized screen. All right. Latest Qlik videos. Qlik talent notes highlights. Okay. Creating a Gantt chart using a bar chart. A Gantt chart using a bar chart. What the?
A bar chart. To begin,
A Gantt chart, if you guys don't know, it's very good to project management, you know, that you can see the starting date, the end date of some stuff, like of a project, of some tasks. It teaches us how to do that here. Let's see the result. Oh, that's very nice. Oh, this looks like a Gantt chart. So maybe you can like put some hover here and just to check out what's like what is this task, you know, because this only say here A to Z and the date, but it's very nice. Qlik Cloud Analytics Hub, Qlik Mayborn Heston. I don't know. that's my video here. Zapparoli, Jesus, man, thanks a lot for putting it here. This is my latest video talking about the SaaS reporting and the new update frequencies that are happening on the Qlik Enterprise now, that we're gonna have only 2 updates per year. So check it out. We have some Maven analytics stuff. Let's see what else here. Christopher Schwartz, do you see Qlik Sense here? Oh, this guys always brings some good stuff. So let's see. It's an article. Do you see Qlik Sense here? No, I don't see Qlik Sense here because like this is all custom visualizations on that are happening here. No, you can't. This is a screenshot from a native mobile app, Android or iOS. So it's an application for iPhones and Androids, made with our data bridge Qlik Plus framework. So it's a framework that gets the Qlik data and put this on a readable format on a mobile app. Oh my god. It must be a lot of work doing this. Because guys, I mean, today what we have on Qlik mobile is like very bad. Like it's like not very good optimized for mobile, you know. You need to maybe do some mashups or some stuff like that. It's not impossible to see stuff, but it's not as good as this, like never. Maybe with the new layout container, maybe you can get lots of some good stuff. But like this is next level, guys. Really interesting to see. I mean, they make some crazy stuff. Common pitfalls of data analytics projects. Storytelling with data. It's okay to use multiple graphs. Oh, this is more like other knowledge nuggets, like not really Qlik related. But it's talking about some stuff about data viz here. Alright, so using Qlik SaaS, the visual, we can add the links straight to pivot tables. We saw this on the start of the stream. And finally, let's see some commentaries here. Let's see. Create presentations using Copilot for Office in a few seconds. I don't know about you guys, but I hate doing some presentations, you know. So let's see what it is about. So here she's using PowerPoint and there's the Copilot screen here. So you basically can create a presentation from a file. Maybe you have a Harvard case here and it will get the topics and generate a presentation. Oh, Jesus. I know how I'm gonna do my presentations now. And it's a quite nice layout as well, like it will, from a Word file, you can generate all of these in seconds. That's amazing. My god. I'm never gonna do some PowerPoint by hand anymore. Well, let's see what else. We have a post here from our CEO Mike Capone about Indian oil. It's a use case, and it's very interesting. This use case.
Indian oil is the image of India, and we strive to be excellent in our business and service to our nation.
How much stuff
So
they do with
extremely
Qlik.
important that the
We can't
supply
even
chain
imagine,
management
right?
remain intact and continuous round-the-clock basis, reaching to all the customers of the country to meet the demand.
Wow, this is a huge
We
factor.
were able to train our people better and they were able to use the data innovate with it, and also create their own dashboard.
Maybe there's a complete video here, I don't know. Let's see. Oh, there's more here. But yeah, that was I was talking about the AutoML presentation, not presentation, like some cases. I really like when they get like huge companies like this and talk about them and like how Qlik changes like and delivering sites and stuff like that. You know, this is very interesting to see. Well, guys, I think that's it for today. Let me close this here. Okay. I think that's it for today. I'm quite tired already. But thank you guys for being here. And if it's possible, give me a like on this video as it helps my channel grow a lot. And I will see you guys on the next live or video. Bye bye.